Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Valorant high ping problem easy and quick. First, all you have to do, click here and go to task manager. You have to make sure that there is no other application using your memory. uh, so just click on memory to see the application that is using it, like right client Google Chrome, and then just close all the applications that you don't need while playing. And that's it. Just right click and end all tasks that you don't need here to make sure that Valorant got enough memory, and then close it, and after that click here and now go to services and then scroll down until you find Windows Update, and here it is. Then just double click on it and make sure it's stopped. Click stop and startup type, make it disabled, and then click apply and OK, and that's it. After that, just go back and restart your computer, and then your problem must be fixed. And that's it. If that doesn't fix your problem, maybe it's from maybe your connection is bad or something like that. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.